What's up, guys? This is Christina Nyirahamana. Here I am cleaning my deep freezer. Was too much ice in it, so I disconnect it for 3 hours. Now you can see inside there is water because of those ice. So I'm cleaning it, and I'm gonna arrange it properly. As you can see, there's so many things inside. I'm gonna clean it and then organize it because I'm preparing to do 1 month pantry fridge deep freezer challenge. So you'll be seeing so many video what I eat for the day through from deep freezer, from fridge. In other words, the month of October I will not do any shopping. Yes, I did buy the water yesterday just to prepare this challenge. No shopping or no any grocery for whole month of October. I'm gonna challenge myself for that. Finger crossed I will do that. So this deep freezer, I was cleaning it. Now I'm done. I'm going to put everything in put it back and writing down everything I have, then plan the meal from the things I have. So that is a book you see. I'm gonna put everything on it, write down everything I have so I can be able to make a meal plan from it. So those are spaghetti and beans and vegetables.
Umuntu byanditseho ni
Those
macaroni
are
na
macaroni and vegetables.
zirazo hasi ni spaghetti na vegetables. Oops. Vegetable n'ubunyobwa.
Another macaroni and vegetables.
Na vegetables. Ni amashu n'ubunyobwa.
Those are peanut butter vegetables soup.
Ubunyobwa n'amashu. Izindi macaroni n'imboga.
That is another peanut butter vegetable soup.
So
I want to put all the tray in one side and then all the box on the another side. This video is in Kinyarwanda, by the way, that's why I put the voiceover. Yeah. All those that macaroni and vegetables, rice and beans in that tray. Rice and peas. This one is
harimo za lentils.
That is another macaroni and vegetables. And then when I have food like this in the freezer, it helps me because I don't cook on Saturdays. So on a Saturday, I pick up one tray and put in the oven, and then I'm done. That is lentils in that red box. Or when I receive unexpected visitors, I just pick up one tray or one box, put in the microwave, and then we have lunch. Especially on Saturdays, many times I get visitors, unexpected visitors. So that is make my life easier when I have cooked food like that. That is another lentils. Another lentils in that red in the corner. This big box is a spaghetti and vegetables.
Margarine.
Those are margarine from Costco.
Ubushaza n'imboga, umuceri n'imboga.
Those box on the left, there's a beans in it. This one is our traditional food called sombe in this green box.
Ubugari.
Our traditional food called fufu or bugari.
Then potage.
Another our potage is another kind of soup. It's like a vegetable soup in another way. Sometimes I put fish in it. Those are same kind of
nuko ari
food.
bimwe.
That's why I put
Ibiharage,
them together. Those
makaroni
are
zibijije.
beans, those are macaroni
Iyo
just
mfite
boiled,
makaroni nk'uku
and put them in the
nkaranga
bowl.
imboga nkazishyiramo, ubwo
So
nkaba ndarangiza.
sometimes I just make fried vegetables and bring this macaroni, and then
Mango
have
cyangwa
my
se
rice.
imyembe.
Mango for smoothie or juice. That one I don't need, that's why I put
Izindi
it at the
makaroni
bottom. Another
zirimo
macaroni
imboga.
with vegetables
Nshobora kuzishyira hano
that we're gonna
tukazaziheraho
start with
vuba.
it the beginning of the month.
Izindi makaroni.
Another vegetables with macaroni and chickpeas.
Igitoki
That's
nabijije
our
tukabishishwa.
traditional called green plantain.
Zibike neza.
I have 4
Amashashi
bags of
abiri,
those.
atatu,
I boil them first.
ndibaza. Yeah.
So when I cook them, I take out the skin and then I put
Kuko
them in the
nkibitse
sauce.
gutya muri freezer kitabishijeho gato,
Bag.
kugiteka kirakomera. Ariko iyo nkibijije nk'uku kugiteka
Otherwise, if I
biroroha.
put them like that without
Ifi.
cooking them, that is a fish.
Pancake irimo
Salmon fish, that is a
beterave.
pancake.
Ntabwo ndabereka uko nyikora, nzabibereka
Beetroot
mu minsi iri imbere.
pancake, that one with
Iyindi
oatmeal. Another
pancake.
beetroot
Ibi
pancake.
ni byo kurya mu gitondo, ariko hari n'igihe birya nijoro. Nzabibereka.
Beetroot, carrot,
Amasashi abiri.
broccoli pancake. I think I
Noneho
made
rero
all the short
igitoki
videos.
gitetse,
That is
kimwe
igitoki.
mperuka
It's
guteka
the same as
nagishyize
the
mu
black
isashi,
one you see
murabona
at the bottom.
biranyorohera, nagishyeze mu
Bag
isashi
I put
gutya,
before I put the
irambikamo hano,
pancake.
ntikimfatira umwanya. Bibiri by'igitoki,
I have 3 bags
ubwo
of
mfite
those, so
amasashi
that
atatu
is,
y'igitoki,
I think,
n'andi
enough
atatu
meals.
adatetse.
There I was explaining the
Isashi
different
y'imboga
those
nk'izi
bags.
yuzuye
And
n'igice.
the mixed vegetables, I have 1 bag and a half. That is gonna be enough because I will be
Ndimo
using fresh
ndayifunga.
vegetables too.
Isashi ya smoothie.
That is a bag for smoothie. Another
Andi
mango,
masashi
which is not open.
y'imyembe abiri adafunguye.
Smoothie was this one.
Agapaki kari isashi irimo amapaki ane
Ground chicken.
y'inkoko ziseye.
I think I bought them in Netherlands.
Ifi bita file.
Fish fillet.
Izindi pancake.
Another pancake for beetroot. Beetroot pancake.
Indagara ariko murabona ko ari duke cyane, ariko nzabukoresha gutya nta kibazo. Izindi pancake zashwanyaguritse ukuntu, umuntu azashaka uko ziri. Hano kuri sima huzuye amazi y'amagato. Ibindi ibiharage nabijije, nzabikorera isosi cyangwa se nzabishakira iyindi recipe. Ikindi gisashi cy'imboga cyuzuye ntarafungura. Noneho ifi ya tilapia irimo enye, kandi mwibuka ko harimo indi hariya hasi. Ibigori, izi mboga zisa gutya, igice cy'ishashi ya epinari. Ibi byo gukoramo sambusa nabiguze muri superstore, ndibaza yani muri superstore. Ubwo ni kimwe na za maxi, abantu bafite za maxi. Tofu, enye
So if it doesn't fit
nimbona zitari bukurwemo ndazishyira muri iyi firigo ya hano. Ibijya muri iyi firizeri birarangiye, murabona ukuntu iroroganize. So igisigaye ni ukuyicomeka kuko nari nayicomokoye nkuramo amagaraso.
Now we go into the freezer in the kitchen.
So ubu tugiye gukomeza rero na hano urabona ko ngifite cheese yose irimo utupaki dutatu. Iyi niyo kurya muri petit déjeuner,
small packet.
kandi hano muri firigo haracyarimo akandi gapaki kuzuye. Ni ukuvuga ngo ukwezi kose nta cheese nzakenera cyangwa fromage. Iyi ni igitofu, ubwo mfitemo enye. Aho nzabishakira recipe. Ubushaza, strawberries
for smoothie or
cyangwa se framboise ndibuza ariko amafreze ya n'ibindi biryo. Aha harimo za makaroni.
That is bread, turkey breast.
Harimo turkey breast, ground turkey. Harimo isombe.
That is another isombe, our traditional food, beans. Another food in that orange box, cooked food.
Champignon cyangwa se mushroom, izindi fishire. Byo gukoresha muri za sandwich, oven roasted turkey
in the sandwich. That one I forgot.
Roasted beef. Isi ndayikoresha sinzi. Izi ni kitchen liver. Izi ni nziza kuri iron.
Chicken
ubu mu kinyarwanda ni iki ndaza kubigugoringa ndababwira.
Good for iron.
Irajya hamwe n'inyama. Ubwo noneho
Now I was putting back everything I took out to organize them and know what to do. Make sure that I have enough for this challenge. Not spending month. In the party 2 for this video, you will see that I have even those milk, which doesn't need to be in the fridge until you open it. So in other words, I'm ready for this challenge, not spending month. By that grace, I may do it.
Hano mfitemo eshatu muri ya deep freezer, mfitemo tofu eshatu hano. Deep freezer mfitemo ebyiri, urumva mfite eshanu. Izo zirampagije ukwezi kose.
In the deep freezer has another 3, so that is more than enough for whole month.
I can't use this strawberry. And mushroom.
Everything I took out, organizing them. I didn't know that I had to
do melange. Byose ni byo gukoresha muri smoothie. Izi n'izi nazirya mango, nshobora kuzikoramo ji.
2 bags.
Ubushaza ndabishyira hano.
So now all I need to do is to run all the meals for this food which is not already cooked. I'm planning to use the one that's cooked first, and then I will use the one after when I'm done, or when we're done, me and my son.
Hano ku rugi mfite izindi turkey breast ebyiri n'ibitunguru, karoti, izindi ground beef cyangwa viande hache. Yeah, so ibi birampagije. Noneho tugiye muri iyi firigo.
You can see is full, so many cooked food which you're gonna start.
Byinshi birimo ni ibitetse, nibyo mperuka guteka. Tuzabanza duheze ibyo muri firigo. Ni za smoothie nakoze ejo bundi, ejo hashize.
Which is about to finish. I will make another one too.